What is up, guys? Today we are in the Mark II and we are going on a little road trip. We are going to pick something up. It's nothing crazy. We're just going to pick up some steering angle stuff for the Mark II. Also, I have got a box yesterday for another part that we can put on the Mark II, and hopefully we get both of those things done today. But for now, it's early for my weekend, so I'm going to get some coffee and something to eat, and then we'll get on the road. Got my coffee. Now we're ready to go on this little road trip, and hopefully I don't destroy my body kit going on the highway, because everyone thinks, oh yeah, you know, you're in Florida, you have good roads. They're wrong. We do not have very good roads or drivers. So yeah, almost got hit by some old lady. So yeah, the highway I'm gonna try to take away to slightly avoid the bad areas, because I've already done a little number on my body kit and I do not want to make it worse, because I don't want to have to fix it. So yep, just gonna start cruising along the highway, paying attention so I don't destroy my body kit, and hopefully we make it there quicker than the GPS says, because it's a long drive. So we made it to where we were going, and it is Odyssey Fab. If you guys remember, this is where we brought Adam's Jzx90 to get the turbo kit and all the custom fab work done that came out really well. And now we're back because we are picking up some of these. And if you don't know what this is, these are knuckles for the Jzx to increase the steering angle. And they have brand new ball joints, Moog ball joints, and some hardware, which we'll show more of, and some cool stickers, obviously. We got to put those on the Jzx. So what these do is they're cut and modified to achieve more angle. Pretty simple. And they bolt on super easy, hopefully. And yeah, it should be nice and quick. We'll have to get the car aligned again. My car's been on the alignment rack like 4 times, by the way. He's here, but we're just kind of, his shop was busy, so we're kind of hiding over here. This is where his car is. It's a little dirty because it got painted, and my camera's not focusing. But yeah, I'm excited to see this thing finally be out. I don't think I've ever seen this thing drive.
No, never.
No. But that's gonna be cool. Always want more Jzx's in Florida, driving around, doing some drifting stuff, because we actually drive our cars. Not some stance boys or anything like that. We're gonna do a nice little review after we install them, and hopefully get to go to the track next week, I think, and test them. I also have some other stuff that I gotta install to help at the track. So huge shout out to Odyssey Fab for hooking us up with these, and can't wait to put them on. So it is the next day. I got back pretty late from going to pick up everything, and I got stuck in traffic for a while and really didn't feel like starting to do anything super late on a Saturday. But anyways, we're in the garage now, and I'm gonna open up the box that I have ordered from Up Garage, and hopefully what's inside will work well and we can get something cool in the car today. So in this box, there is not a work wheel. That'd be really weird because it's really skinny. We are going to see what is in here and how to open this wild box. This is really good packaging for a used part. So here we have a seat rail for my Jzx. It is a bride seat rail that I got from Up Garage US because they opened a store in California, so now we get to get all these Japanese parts shipped within the US for a very good price. So this is a bottom mount seat, and it's gonna be for my bride bottom mount seat. So hopefully it fits well. Hopefully I can get my seat on here and we go from there. So I have this Bride Bricks bottom mount seat. I'm gonna put it on that rail and then see how it fits and then put it in the Jzx. So the easiest way to do this, put the seat somewhere where you can reach the bottom without having to like hold it up. And then we should just be able to slide this back and forth to have access to the holes and get this thing on. So disregard all of that. I guess I ordered the wrong seat rail, or it didn't come with brackets, or whatever the case may be. So we had to put it on hold. But Eric was kind enough to make me some. So he took some measurements and built these plates that match up with the holes for the seat and have enough room across it to get it onto here. Pretty much perfect. So what we're gonna do before he can finalize this, he wants me to take out my seat, and then we'll mock the seat rail up, put the plates in, make sure that it can all work, and then he'll weld it up, and then we can throw the seat in. So it's a little dark, but the seat bolts are behind these covers. I already popped that one off over there. It's right there, but that's kind of cool that Toyota has some little covers for their factory seat rail bolt hole things, except makes it a little bit more just to get to the seat, but it's not too bad. It looks good when it's all together. Oh, this is the whole thing with the cables. Cool. Easy enough. Alright, so got the seat out. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's 4 bolts on each corner, and the thing's dirty. And then it comes out. Oh, and then these 2 little plugs. Mine has like electric or something lumbar support, so you have to unplug those, take it out. It's a little, oh, there we go. Put the bride seat rail in, just got all the bolts in, hand tight, and this thing literally fit right on the money, which is sick. We're gonna take these, I'm just gonna toss them in here. Now we toss that thing in there. Probably just from it sitting on its bolster, because that was not like that. Literally probably just from sitting there.
It's not much lower than...
It's a good amount lower. Man, it looks sweet, and it's still like the blue, so it matches the rest of the interior, which is pretty sick. That's not terrible. You don't know, you don't drive this every day. I mean, shoulders, I mean, from this level, you can't see your shoulder.
Tall.
Yeah. Now what?
Bolt it on and mark it.
Bolt what on?
The brackets to the seat.
Oh. Okay, yeah, I guess we could do that.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, you heard him.
Wow.
We're gonna do it. So, Eric made these little notches right here, so when you go to pull this up to adjust the seat forward and back, that was hitting this new plate, but now it's not. So it should be ready to go. Eric's over here.
You're like an old Japanese redneck.
Yeah. Well, we got a buzz box. He got Crocs on.
Salt Life shirt.
Yep. I don't think they have Salt Life shirts in Japan. But if they did, they would literally be wearing them with Crocs. Alright, let's see if you messed it all up.
Probably. We'll move together, so.
I mean, Harbor Freight Buzz Box, not terrible.
It's terrible.
It ain't gonna hold me though. Not no little tags. Well, looks like we have successfully attached. Oh look, and it doesn't hit. We have successfully attached some pieces of metal to
Another thing.
yeah, another couple pieces of metal that I paid money for.
Yeah, we should have made it out of just thinner material.
They can't. Safety. It's got to be safety.
It says off-road use only.
Yeah, we don't believe in that. Pretty successful little test. So Eric, back there, we'll fully weld that up tomorrow, and then we will continue with this 7-day long seat install, I guess. So, day 347 of messing with this seat rail. But for real, Eric got this seat rail welded all up, and he actually painted it, so it doesn't look that janky now. So that's the front that got notched. He got a nice coat of paint all over it. Make sure it doesn't rust, which it shouldn't because it's gonna be in my car. But it kind of looks like it's supposed to be there. So that's kind of cool. So we are gonna get this thing bolted up to the seat and make sure that we get it all nice and secured. Then we'll start taking out the stock seat from the Jzx and put this one in, and it should be fairly simple. I think we just have to switch over the seat belt, and then that should be it. And just like that, we're done. How unnecessary. But anyways, yep, we're done. It's on there, it's tight, and then now we just got to, man, all these mosquitoes. Now we just got to take my seat out and put this thing in, swap the seat belt, we should be good. Also, I'm not going to bother filming taking it out because we already did. I already showed you guys. And then, yeah, we'll see probably how to maybe swap a seatbelt over if that's going to be an issue, which I'm sure it isn't. And then we should be able to put this thing in. All right, so found a problem, but we already got it solved. The factory seatbelt buckle has like a welded on nut on the factory seat rail where this just threads in. On the bride seat rail, it does not. It's just a through bolt. So had to get a nut for this part, and it's kind of a weird thread pitch. It's 7/16-20, so it's 7/16 and it's fine thread. But luckily we have an O'Reilly's close by. I went there and they were super helpful and found me one. And so yeah, now we get to put this on and finally finish installing this seat. Alright, so it's a little hard to see because it's dark and we got two cars in the garage, so that's why I'm not in there. But yeah, it's in. I just have to bolt this back on. Kind of hard to see, but this is the trunk and gas lever, and it should just kind of slide on and cover this one bolt hole, and then it kind of screws in. So we'll see if we can get that to work. Well, that's cool. Now I gotta ride to you in my car. Thanks for your help. Wow, rude. Oh my god, it's dark in here. Oh, next test. I'm gonna see if I got the seatbelt thing right. So there's two different plugs underneath the seat, and one of them plugs into the car, the other one plugs into itself. So we're gonna see if it works.
Bluetooth mode.
So my seatbelt light is on. Put this damn thing in. Oh boy. There we go. And look at that. OEM everything. So anyways, that was the longest seat install thing ever. Shouldn't have been that long, but whatever. Stuff happens, and but we got it done anyways. Next time, we are gonna install the steering knuckles that we picked up from Tyler at Odyssey Fab. I figured this would kind of be a cool video to like see what happened when like stuff doesn't go according to plan, because the plan was we were supposed to get all those parts and then just hang out because we got back a little late on Saturday, and then do it Sunday. But then other stuff, like I started messing with the seat on Sunday and all of it didn't work out, and I was just like, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna go do other things. So finally got the seat done, and then this weekend we'll be able to install the knuckles. I'll make that its own separate video because I want to be informative about it for anyone that's looking for a quick cheap angle mod for Jzx90 100. I think it works on IS300 also. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I know it was kind of an all over the place video over a couple days, but you know, it happens, and I still have to do other things in between. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next video when we install the steering knuckles and get some more angle out of the Jzx90, and then hopefully we should be ready. I'm missing one more thing, and then hopefully we should be ready for the next time we take a drifting. So if you guys like the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the seat or anything like that, or if you have any questions, just drop them down below in the comments, and we'll see you guys next time.